Is this how your Logitech G430 game headset sounds like? If it is, keep watching this video to find the simple solution. What's going on, guys? My name is Mr. iCringe, and today I'll be showing you the fix to your G430 headset if there's an echo. I currently have it disabled, but I'll show you how to get rid of it for yourself. First off, you want to go to your settings. You want to type in Control Panel. Click it. You can close the settings now. Now when you're in Control Panel, you want to hit Hardware and Sound. It'll show up in this little thing here. Go to Recording. Find your Logitech G430 game headset right here. Properties. Go to Listen. And for you people that didn't disable this already, it should be like this. Listen to this device should be checked. This is what it sounds like. If it's enabled, so what you want to do is click it and make sure it's unchecked. Click Apply, and you're all good to go. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.